Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, September 15th. So we're heading into the FOMC meeting this week, and they'll make their announcement on Wednesday afternoon about their decision on interest rates. Pretty much everyone is expecting them to lower rates, at least by 25 basis points, maybe 50. And the market has continued to rise as we're approaching this announcement. It would probably be likely that there will be selling after the announcement no matter what, although it doesn't have to be a huge amount of selling. The S&P chart itself is still very positive. We're making new all-time highs on many trading days. Cumulative volume breadth, the important word there being volume, because regular breadth has not been that great, but cumulative volume breadth has been, and it's making new all-time highs as well. There's a distinction there. Let me just give you a quick example. If NVIDIA is up and Nike is down, that's one issue up and one issue down, so breadth is zero. But if NVIDIA trades 125 million shares while it's up, and Nike trades 10 million shares while it's down, then that's 115 million shares to the plus side. So that's why volume breadth is important, and it is confirming these new highs in the market as we're going along. The equity-only put-call ratios are still on buy signals. They're near the lower end of their chart. Those buy signals were a little bit late in coming around, but they came in a couple of weeks ago, and so that indicator is still positive. As I said, breadth itself is not. It's been wavering back and forth. I'm not sure exactly if we can say that's a negative divergence, but it would be much healthier to see breadth expanding as SPX is making new all-time highs, but that has not been the case. New highs versus new lows, that's very bullish. That's stayed on the bullish side of the ledger. VIX continues to be low, so the trend of VIX is downward, which is positive for the stock market. And the construct of the volatility derivatives, that's all positive as well. So pretty much everything we have there, have going there is positive, and there's just a couple of little nagging things. But if we do get sell signals, of course, we would act on those. And I still don't think it's a terrible idea to be buying some straddles up at these levels just in case there is an extreme negative reaction to the Fed announcement on Wednesday. Meanwhile, I invite you to visit our website. Also, later this afternoon, we're doing a webinar for Meta stocks. So if you come to our website, you can probably sign up for that if you're interested. And meanwhile, have a great week trading.